Top Android development tools for 2024. In 2024, Android development thrives with over 2.5 billion devices globally. Selecting adept development tools is pivotal for crafting high-performing Android applications. Let's have a quick glimpse into the top Android development tools for 2024. Firebase. Google's platform provides cloud solutions for critical needs like messaging, authentication, and analytics, accelerating app development. Jetpack Compose. Revolutionizing UI development, Jetpack Compose provides a declarative approach, simplifying UI creation with reusable components and stateful previews. Kotlin. Google's preferred language for Android, Kotlin offers conciseness, safety, and vibrant community support, essential for building robust apps. React Native. Enabling cross-platform app development, React Native facilitates native rendering and code sharing across Android, iOS, and web apps. SonarQube. Ensuring code quality and security, SonarQube provides static code analysis, test coverage metrics, and integrated remediation guidance. TensorFlow. Empowering on-device machine learning, TensorFlow Lite enables tasks like image classification and speech processing without server-side dependencies. Android Studio. Google's official IDE offers end-to-end development capabilities, including smart code completion and app bundle enhancements. These tools cover a range of essential aspects, including UI development, back-end services, programming language, cross-platform development, code quality, machine learning, and IDE support. Looking for a mobile and web app development company? Contact us today, sales@algoworks.com.